Hello, in front of me I've got 70Mi dashcam 1SD06. In this video I'll show you how to change system time. In the beginning, let's go to settings and scroll down. Enter system time and now adjust it. Tap save and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.